Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a company that's trying to strike gold in the oil field, but will they hit a gusher or just strike dirt? We're looking at Expro Group Holdings and their latest financial report, so let's see what the numbers are telling us. This report came out on February 25, 2025, so it's pretty fresh off the press. Expro Group, the company we are looking at, is actually based in the Netherlands. The report covers the last quarter of 2024 and the entire year. That means we're getting a good look at how they finished the year. They are listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol XBRO. Let's jump into the heart of the matter, the results. Expro gave us a snapshot of their performance, and it's all about understanding those numbers. This report includes a press release, and that's where we'll find some of the most important information. The company also uses its website to communicate with investors, so if you want to dig even deeper, that's a good place to look. It's all about keeping everyone in the loop with the latest happenings. Now let's talk about what all of this actually means. Expro is a company that works in the oil and gas industry. They provide services and equipment that help companies drill for and extract oil and gas. Think of them as the behind-the-scenes experts that make it all happen. Unfortunately, the filing we have doesn't contain the actual financial numbers. It's essentially a notice saying we released the numbers and pointing you to the press release or website. So while I can't give you the specific dollars and cents from this document, the key takeaway is that Expro has announced their financial performance, and investors are looking closely to see how they did. Now, this Form 8K is usually filed in the event of major events, so what we are looking at is essentially the announcement of financial records to come. What could be some of the things that people would be looking at? Well, revenue is always important. Are they bringing in more money than before? That would be good. Profitability is another one. Are they actually making money or are they just spending it? Debt is always on the table. Do they owe a lot of money or do they have enough to not worry? The overall health of the oil and gas industry has a big impact. If oil prices are high, companies are more likely to drill, which means more business for Expro. If prices are low, things can get tougher. Looking at the bigger picture, Expro operates in a cyclical industry, meaning their performance tends to go up and down with the price of oil and gas. Right now, the energy industry is facing a lot of pressure to become more sustainable and reduce its environmental impact. This could be a challenge for Expro, but also an opportunity if they can develop new technologies and services that help their clients become more eco-friendly. Okay, so after reviewing this report, let's wrap it up. Expro is playing in a tough but potentially rewarding field. Their success depends on a lot of things, including oil prices, technological innovation, and how well they adapt to the changing energy landscape. One thing to watch out for is the volatility in the oil and gas market. Prices can swing wildly, and that can have a big impact on Expro's earnings. They'll need to be smart about managing their costs and diversifying their services to weather any potential storms. Overall, Expro seems to be in a decent position. They have a solid track record and a global presence, but they're not without their challenges. The energy industry is changing rapidly, and Expro will need to stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. They will need to keep an eye on their debt and make sure they are profitable to keep their operations running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Until next time, stay informed.